outfit of the day. Got a circle skirt that I bought at Charlotte Russe that I haven't worn yet. I tucked in a simple v-neck t-shirt and then secured it with a bow, and then wearing tights and some cowboy boots. Ready for work. And then I was going for a very berry look today. Got some oatmeal before I go. I love going into my car and then finding someone filled up my tank. That's like the best feeling ever because now I have lunch money. Yay for lunch! I hope everyone is having a great day so far, or a great week. My week has been pretty good. I haven't been working out a lot because I've been so swamped with schoolwork, unfortunately, but I've been maintaining my weight, which is a good thing. So hopefully today I'll jump back up on it. Jump on it. Look what came in the mail today. My kites. Finally, they're like a week and a half late. But let's open this up. Here are my kites. They're all white, so we're gonna decorate them. Color them, and yes, I said it's a diamond shaped one. Yeah. Woohoo! Look, easy to assemble and start flying. That's what I need because I don't think I assembled a kite before. Ah, so excited! Who wants to go to a party with me? A kite decorating party! Why? I set this all up and no one came to my party. So this is the guy that is an inspiration for my kite. I don't know if you've ever seen this commercial, but it's called Giga Pudding. And so this character is what's going to be on my kite. I think it's cute. Look who's joined me to my kite party. And it's like 10 o'clock now, so 2 hours later.
I came here an hour.
Oh yeah, but we were technical difficulties. But she is, and this is mine coming out to be Giga Pudding. That's the fudge sauce or whatever that's on its head. And then I'm watching Cake Boss because it, helps me with my creativity. But she's gonna make Finn from Adventure Time. And so that's the color right now she's making for the skin. Right there. We actually had to Google how to make flesh tones with acrylic paint. But apparently use crimson, red, yellow, and white. And put in a lot more white. Okay, I think that's a whole bunch of paint, actually more than you need. Nice to make a bigger circle then for his face. Just about basically done. I think it looks very good so far. I just gotta apply a few more coats on the brown. And I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, and then Kiwi's almost done with her fin right there. Looking pretty good too. These have been drying all night and now they're all ready to go to fly kites. So Kiwi has Finn and I got Giga Pudding. I think they came out really well actually, huh? Look at all the candy that I can't have. It's from Halloween.
Almost there. I don't like it.
Why don't you like any of this? You don't like Snickers?
I like Snickers with regular.
This is the same thing, but it's just small. It's a mini.
Yeah, that's only the thing I want.
You just want, we have Twix? I can't eat Twix, I love Twix. And then we have all these candy that we got for the movie theaters. And I can't eat any of them. I can eat M&Ms, I think. But sugar isn't good for the braces. I want to eat this. Gummies. I love gummies. It must be chilly. Woo! Wow. I want to do it. We're at the beach today and it's really windy. I hope it's not too windy to fly my kite. I'm here with Uncle Say. The others are not here with us. So, but I wanted to try it out. It's really cold today. Well, it's really chilly because it's so windy. I think it's in the 60s, but with the wind, maybe it feels like low 60s. Yeah, I'm chilling for Florida. So windy here. Woo, there's people in the water too. They're crazy. Okay, let's go open this up. My puny little thing. I don't think so.
It's not gonna survive. It's gonna crash.
Okay. Can you hold this? Whoa!
It's not gonna survive.
We tie this on. I haven't opened this yet. It's taped. I got sand all over my legs. How do I do this? Oh! Okay, so tape in my pocket. Okay, put this in my pocket too. Okay, this has to be a really good knot.
Okay.
Alright, let me put the tail on.
Yeah, let go. But slowly. It's okay. Slowly, slowly. Successful launch!
Got Kiwi with us now. She joined our crew for the day. I'm only to Orlando. Gonna make a quick stop to the Oriental Market. This is my favorite part of the market. It's like the ready to eat part. We made it to downtown Disney and they made it all Christmassy. It's actually pretty cold. So we're gonna get some hot chocolate. Got our hot chocolates. Woohoo! Smells so good. Look at all the chocolates that they have. It smells so good here. So happy because I love Disney stuff so much. Oh my god, look at this! It's so cute. It's 24 karat gold Cinderella thing. How much is this, I wonder? Yep, that's 65 bucks. But I love Disney stuff. It always puts me in a good mood. I got my hot chocolate too, so last night so far. Look at these stockings.
I want this one.
I bet you do. She loves Winnie the Pooh. This is actually really cute. I'll just take a picture of myself. Selfie!
There you go.
Next pose.
Korean.